Alright, good morning, welcome back to another video. It's a Monday, of course it's my day off, and we're gonna just go on our typical Monday, run errands, the usual Monday. And I'm gonna drop off the do some errands for the church and then come back and just enjoy the rest of the day. Anyway, welcome back, guys. If you guys are new to our channel, welcome back to our M3E channel. My name is Muti, and my beautiful wife here is Lily. And then our boys are not here, Mars, Marlson, and Elston. But you have to like play your song when... Alright. Okay, so our time now is currently at 9:18 in the morning, and then yeah, we're just gonna. Where do you want to go? Cross you go. My kids. Okay. Anyway, you guys, hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Happy holidays, that's what it is. I've been trying to like figure out what the proper way of saying or to greet you guys this morning, but it is happy holidays. Those wonderful holiday season is coming. Okay, I'm holding you guys so you guys don't fall off. So what's your thing? Because it's 9 o'clock. Anyway, I cannot drive and be filming at the same time, but we'll talk later, okay? She's very scared. Oh, let's go to Walmart first. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys down and I'll see you guys later, okay? Alright, we're back at the house again. We came back to pick up Chenna because Chenna has an appointment today at the Chinese embassy. I don't know what's going on, but she says she has an appointment. So she's here to drop off Mr. Jermaine. Jermaine is gonna stay with Elston. Marson, and then it's time to go to take her to her appointment at the Chinese embassy. Yeah. How are you guys doing today? You guys doing all right? Feeling irate? All right, just a reminder, guys, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, please help us out. I cannot stress enough how important it is to help us out with getting more subscribers, and then just help us out in watching our videos. And a big shout out and thank you for all of you who've been very faithful and just continuing to follow our journey here on YouTube and just enjoying our vlogs and our church activities and some of the weddings that I've been able to take part of and take the videos. So thank you. So yeah, just go back and watch our playlist, some of the songs that I do. And yes, so here's Auntie Chenna. Yeah, Auntie Chenna is we're gonna take her to her appointment. Good morning.
Good morning.
You ready to go to your appointment? I told them that we're back at the house to pick you up for you have an appointment at the Chinese embassy. So yes. All right, we're gonna put you guys down and then we'll continue. We're at the embassy now. I'll show you the embassy. Embassy. Ta-da! Whew. Okay, we're waiting for Auntie Cyncyn. Fine.
What's the name of it?
Alright. Okay. Now where's Cyncyn? Bye, Chuukese. Okay, we're here to. Chenna is gonna renew her passport, but we need to eat because we're hungry. And we're waiting for Cyncyn. Cyncyn is late, but I'm hungry. Very starving. We're at a dim sum place. This place is good because they have like a breakfast, and then you can also do the lunch menu. Okay, I'm waiting for everybody, but these guys are taking their time. Ouch. Good morning. So we have our visitors today. Okay. Saacak yatek perbucegato saacak order mo. Sioko cabak koru para kriso pamari tukot ready kare. Na kriso rarang parfangeriga pecuk medicine. Para mo kushena fansul medicine. Feature mo ikare pamarto pecuk ko. Help our family pator rachko medicine. Kim saat warukot maradara chamu Jesus Christ. Amen. Area one menu pun.
Ikan cuma kerasnya putih. Ikan apa kita?
I feel like we need a bigger space. Now it's up to quattro already chipping.
What time does it start? Tè.
Saatchikin voi keep wekkan. Next time se va porkuttai.
Metti
Kasari voi narkko. Yes.
Joo, tanya kata. Sebenarnya ciknya di sini. Eno liur mau.
Iya benar puhua lobster.
Ya.
Tidak ada terara.
Cuma lobster nori kulakan sekeren malah.
Apa terwara ini? Can I get the fit? Chicken.
Chicken feet.
Yeah.
What are those?
That one? Yes. Yep. Apa itu?
Iya tanda semua. Taruh.
Firo, sin.
Can we also get the menu, please?
Betul. Mira, para lari. The yellow one. It's happens. Can we also get that one? No, yeah. You have your menu?
Yes. Sauce?
Yeah.
Here's the fork. Fork.
You guys need fork?
Okay. No, that's your service.
What it? Eppet. Ja, check recap. Oh, thank you. All right, we're gonna see the
Sofficito before you speak.
chicken feet. That's my favorite. Here I'm weak. Kaput. Ni fit menu shrimp media vegetables. Kasi birato shape pirawa. Soyu. Yeah.
It's not good for my arthritis. Ask them for the fork. Yeah.
Sini. Here's the thing. Just order.
Ecco,
Vedete, non c'è costa.
like the sedap pala niya. Let's order out. Oh, I don't know. Can we get a shrimp fried rice? Okay. And then number. Where's the chicken? Okay. Chicken 46. 46. Chicken, brown chicken and brown. Palmen niya alam na. Okay. Oh, you don't want it?
Sichuan beef.
Oh, it's big. Oh, yeah. Can I please have a fork?
Oh, you need a fork?
Yeah.
It doesn't come with your passport?
Get off. Can I video? Yeah.
Nakasari ko pila ni shrimp na.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Much piracha katun. Siapa mau berir baru barang. Method. What's that? Musica.
That's so real one. No?
Yeah, I said to the tree. Thank you.
Much different.
I want to try it.
What's that? Beef?
Bun. Yo, can I have this one? Yep. Pirag with shrimp. Quick one. No.
Any more?
Bakit?
Want the eggplant? Combo?
Guys, tikpan mo yung sari.
You want sauce? You want the sauce?
No, but good pa. We're okay for now. Miam din. Oh, I like that. Try this one. Oh, no. Okay, more food. You know how it is, no shame. Oh, Agyo, Piro check me big ka. Not a fried rice.
No, no. What? I was slow down on me week. So did you go much?
Can you try that one?
Oh, it's good. That's good. So we got the Sichuan beef. I don't know what it's called. Yeah.
Karatsik karo order gabi boring. Med.
Takot ka. Chuukese sono mi muy bien. Era Chuukese, cara, opinión de la tastes like the cinnamon and
This has the shrimp inside. Thank you. Why they give us a small one? No, he knows. He knows we also need a big tea. Hey.
Excuse me.
They're trying to prioritize the people that have not had any food, but that's why they skipped us. But we still want some more. I want the chicken pie. Yeah. Can I get the chicken feet, please? Yes. You guys want? You guys still want anything?
No.
No. Yeah, this is. All right.
Take a photo. The camera go down.
Click the thing. Double click. Yeah. Double click again. One more time. So if it's 3 times, it goes the other way. Yeah.
But I'm trying to show the photo.
Then you can pan it down. Yeah. Yes. That's the good stuff right there.
Aí eu posso I didn't even make it go.
Okay. All right. We are currently done with breakfast and lunch. Thanks to these ladies for treating us on this special day. All right. All right. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Mira, pura viriara reoster piro. Era pepe kasari kit. Let's go to ranch first. Yeah, it's up to. Bye. Okay, narisin si Daro. Yes, we gotta walk first. We gotta walk first because it's we need to walk off and digest this lovely shrimp and all this lovely food. All right, we'll see you guys. We're gonna go in ranch to get Elston's bread. This is our 99 ranch. I only come here for one thing, the bread. Elston likes this bread. This guy's right here. This is Elston's favorite. And it's my favorite too. Okay, I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get 3. Hello.
Oh, me.
Yes, I'm always here to buy. Get your.
You like this one?
Yeah, my son likes this one.
Yeah, you want to buy?
Yes, please. Every time I come here, you guys always run out.
Oh, today, yeah, sometimes a little too fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
since so last time I came, you guys ran out. So since you ran out first, you can give me a discount this time.
Oh, no.
I'll play with
I'm
you.
not the boss. The boss has free discount here. Okay, total 15.83.
All right.
Yeah, sometimes because this is yeah, our here is sell really fast.
Yeah, I know. It's good to always come in the morning. So
Yes.
Yeah.
Your son is really like?
yeah, that's he likes it. I like it too. But every time I come here, you guys always run out.
Yeah. Now 5.25 is big. Yeah, and the taste is good too.
Right.
This is make our bacon. So cook it, you can see. Cook
Yeah,
it
yeah,
in the morning.
yeah. It's nice when it's really fresh.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Yep. Have a good day. Okay, you guys want anything? No? Okay. You don't realize that this camera is facing you guys? Okay. Alright.
Oh, tibok ko tayo.
Huh? It's okay because we don't have enough money. Alright, let's follow the lady. You need help?
I got it
You
now.
got it?
It's all the way in the back.
What do you need? Oh my goodness, corned beef. They look like Hawaiian. Huh? No, I guess I already spent it on the food, so I'm not gonna shop anymore. She's like, "What you gonna buy for dinner?" But I already spent at the restaurant, so no more the food, no more the money. Right, I'm gonna put you guys. So we're going home. Thanks for watching our video, our small short episode of me taking Chenna to the Chinese embassy to renew her passport. Yes. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share, and give us good comments on the description below, comment section. All right. Bye bye.